What if the reason you're not sleeping well has less to do with what happens in bed and more to do with what happens in the hours before it? Many people struggle with falling asleep, staying asleep, or waking up feeling refreshed. They often blame stress, age, or a busy schedule. But the truth is that evening habits can have a powerful impact on sleep quality. The way you spend the last few hours of your day sends important signals to your brain and body about whether it's time to stay alert or prepare for rest. Small changes in your evening routine can make a remarkable difference in how quickly you fall asleep, how deeply you sleep, and how energized you feel the next morning. If better sleep is your goal, it may be time to take a closer look at your evenings. Why sleep becomes more important with age. As we get older, sleep patterns often change. Many adults find it harder to stay asleep through the night, while others wake up earlier than they would like. Poor sleep can affect far more than energy levels. It can influence memory, mood, immune function, heart health, and overall quality of life. Good sleep supports the body's ability to repair itself, regulate hormones, and maintain healthy brain function. That's why creating habits that encourage quality sleep becomes increasingly valuable as the years go by. Create a consistent sleep schedule. One of the most effective ways to improve sleep is to go to bed and wake up at roughly the same time every day. The body operates on an internal clock known as the circadian rhythm. Consistency helps keep the system functioning properly. When bedtime and wake-up times constantly change, the body receives mixed signals, making it harder to fall asleep and wake up naturally. Establishing a regular schedule helps train the body to expect sleep at certain times, which often leads to better sleep quality. Reduce bright light exposure. Light plays a major role in regulating sleep. During the evening, exposure to bright lights can signal the brain to remain alert. This is especially true for the blue light emitted by phones, tablets, computers, and televisions. Limiting screen use before bed or reducing brightness can help support the body's natural production of melatonin, the hormone that promotes sleep. If avoiding screens completely isn't realistic, even reducing screen time during the final hour before bed can be beneficial. Avoid heavy meals late at night. What you eat in the evening can influence how well you sleep. Large meals consumed close to bedtime may lead to discomfort, indigestion, or acid reflux that interferes with rest. The body may remain focused on digestion when it should be preparing for sleep. If you're hungry in the evening, lighter options are often a better choice. The goal is to avoid going to bed overly full while still ensuring you feel comfortable and satisfied. Be mindful of caffeine and alcohol. Many people know that caffeine can affect sleep, but they may not realize how long its effects can last. Depending on the individual, caffeine consumed in the afternoon or evening may still be active in the body at bedtime. Alcohol can also be misleading. While it may initially create feelings of relaxation or drowsiness, it often disrupts sleep later in the night. Limiting caffeine and alcohol during the evening can help support more restful and uninterrupted sleep. Develop a relaxing wind-down routine. The body benefits from a transition period between the activities of the day and sleep. Jumping directly from work, household tasks, or stressful situations into bed can make it difficult for the mind to relax. A calming evening routine may include reading, gentle stretching, listening to soothing music, taking a warm shower, or practicing relaxation exercises. These activities help signal to the brain that it is time to slow down and prepare for rest. Keep your bedroom comfortable. The sleep environment can have a significant impact on sleep quality. A bedroom that is too warm, too noisy, or too bright may make restful sleep more difficult. Many people sleep best in a cool, dark, and quiet environment. Comfortable bedding, supportive pillows, and minimizing distractions can help create a space that encourages better sleep. Small adjustments to the bedroom often produce surprisingly noticeable results. Manage evening stress. Stress and worry are among the most common barriers to quality sleep. When the mind is focused on problems, responsibilities, or tomorrow's tasks, relaxation becomes difficult. Taking a few minutes in the evening to write down thoughts, make a simple plan for the next day, or practice mindfulness can help reduce mental clutter. The goal is not to eliminate stress completely, but to prevent it from following you into bed. Gentle movement can help. Physical activity during the day is one of the best ways to support healthy sleep. In the evening, Gentle movements such as stretching, yoga, or a leisurely walk may help release tension and promote relaxation. The key is moderation. Intense exercise immediately before bed may leave some people feeling too energized to sleep comfortably. Gentle activities are often a better choice during the final hours of the day. Stay hydrated without overdoing it. Hydration supports overall health and sleep quality, but timing matters. Drinking enough water throughout the day is important. Yet consuming large amounts immediately before bed may lead to frequent nighttime trips to the bathroom. A balanced approach helps ensure proper hydration while minimizing sleep disruptions. Paying attention to fluid intake earlier in the day can make evening hydration easier to manage. Limit late-night mental stimulation. Activities that keep the brain highly engaged can make it harder to unwind. Intense work projects, emotionally charged conversations, and stimulating entertainment may leave the mind active when it should be preparing for sleep. Choosing calming activities during the final hour before bed allows the nervous system to shift into a more relaxed state. This transition often makes falling asleep easier and more natural. Consistency creates results. Many people expect instant improvements in sleep after making one or two changes. While some habits may produce quick benefits, lasting improvements usually come from consistency. The body responds well to predictable routines. Repeating healthy evening habits night after night helps strengthen the body's natural sleep processes. Over time, these routines can make quality sleep feel less like a challenge and more like a natural part of daily life. The long-term benefits of better sleep. Quality sleep influences nearly every aspect of health. It supports memory, concentration, emotional well-being, immune function, heart health, and physical recovery. People who consistently sleep will often experience better energy, improved mood, and greater resilience throughout the day. Investing in better sleep is one of the most valuable things you can do for your overall health. The benefits extend far beyond the bedroom and can positively affect nearly every area of life. Final thoughts. Improving sleep quality doesn't always require complicated solutions. Often, the most effective changes begin with simple evening habits. Maintaining a consistent sleep schedule, reducing light exposure, avoiding heavy meals, limiting caffeine and alcohol, creating a relaxing routine, managing stress, and optimizing your sleep environment can all contribute to more restful nights. These small actions may seem simple, but together they create a strong foundation for healthy sleep. The better you sleep, the better your body and mind can perform each day. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more health, wellness, and healthy aging tips that can help you sleep better, feel better, and live a healthier life.